Marielody.
Hi friends, welcome back to Marielody, and today we are in Central Park. I think I see a friend of mine, my friend Madison!
Hi, Mariel.
Hi, Cece.
Hi, Jessie.
Hi, Madison.
I was just about to have a picnic. You want to join?
I do. Let's take a walk because walking makes you feel so good.
Let's go.
We're here on a picnic blanket with my friend Madison, who we bumped into. And I want to tell you about her. She's from Carry On, and she loves to do things that make you feel great about yourself. Madison, can you tell me something that we could use to make us feel good?
Yes, self-care and care for others is so important. My favorite way to self-care is to take deep breaths. I like to do this because it makes me feel calm. What I do is I smell in the flowers and then I blow out the birthday candles.
Show us, Madison. How do we do that? Let's do it together, everybody.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's so fun. Let's do it again. Can we do it again?
Let's do it.
1, 2, 3. Breathe up. Wow, that made me feel good. Did that make you feel
It
good?
makes me feel so good.
Makes me
Especially
feel
on
relaxed.
a beautiful day.
When the sun is shining and you just want to feel good and take deep breaths, I have an idea. We could use bubbles
Good
to
idea.
do that. Let's try bubbles. Something else that I love about taking deep breaths is when you have all these feelings and you just want to relax and release it. Like we showed you before, oh, look at these bubbles. Let's do it again. Look, Jessie.
Bubble breaths.
Whoa, want to try? Oh,
Wow.
this is amazing. I like bubble breaths.
Me too.
Try this at home with your friends and family and teach them. Breathe up, smell the flowers, and blow out the candles.
Wow!
Madison, can you tell us another thing that makes you feel good and makes others feel good?
Yeah, every morning when I wake up, I love to say what I'm thankful for. It makes me feel good and it reminds me of all the things I'm blessed and lucky to have. Like this morning, I woke up and I said, I'm thankful for a beautiful day outside. I'm thankful that I get to go to the park with Mariel.
Ah, I love that. I have an amazing idea. I think we should get balloons and write down what we're thankful for.
Good idea.
Come help me. And you at home, think of things that make you feel good. If you love going to the park with your brother, or if you love going to the supermarket with your grown-up, let's think of all the things that make you feel good and grateful and thankful for. Come on, let's blow up balloons.
Let's do it.
Here you go.
Thank you.
And we're gonna blow them up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa.
Woo! This is my favorite color, pink. Look, just like my shirt, my Marielody shirt.
Wow, a Marielody balloon.
Okay, let's write something. I'm gonna write what I am grateful for. My family. And I'm gonna put a little heart. Family!
I'm thankful for smiles.
Oh, I love that.
Smiles. When I see a smile, it makes me smile.
Me too. Cece, what are you thankful for? Cece, she said candy. That's a silly one. It's a good one, but think of something else. I like what she said. Friends. That's a special one. Let's write friends. Okay, Jessie, what are you thankful for? You could use that one. I like it. He's thankful for all his toys.
Wow.
I love that. Let's write toys. We have smiles,
We have friends,
toys.
family.
Now we're gonna throw them up into the sky and share our gratitude to our friends. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh my goodness! Family!
Wow.
Madison, we are loving all of your ideas. What else can we do to take care of ourselves and feel good?
One of my favorite ways for self-care and care for others is with my care kit.
What's a care kit?
Well, there's all sorts of care kits. This one's made for grown-ups that grown-ups can keep in the stroller so they always have something to care for themselves.
I love that. Could we make a care kit for us?
Good idea. I have an empty one here. Why don't we go to the store and fill it up with things that make us feel good and make others feel good?
I love that idea. Jessie, Cece, do you like that idea? Should we go to the store and make our own care kits?
Let's
Come
do
on,
it.
Let's go. Let's do it. Hi, friends. We're going in to make our care kit. Follow along. Let's go shopping. Let's see what we could find.
What is this?
A mirror. Look at this. This is awesome. One for you.
So cool.
One for me. We're
This
putting
is
it
perfect.
in the bag. We picked up a mirror because we could see ourselves and think of something special to say about ourselves.
That's such a good idea.
Let's put it inside and see what else we can find. Best aisle. Snacks. Who doesn't love snacks? Madison, don't you love snacks?
I love snacks. I can't wait.
Let's put it inside and find a special treat. We're gonna pick delicious birthday cake Twizzlers.
Yum. What a special treat.
Let's pick something else.
Oh, pretzels. I love pretzels.
Yum, salty.
This is going in my bag for sure.
My friend is gonna love this. We need a drink. Let's find a perfect size to fit in the bag.
Look, Marielle, carry-on pads.
I love it. Can I get one?
Yeah, one for you and one for me. These are great. These always make me feel so fresh and clean and moisturized. This is perfect for our kids.
Cannot wait to use this. This kit is amazing. We just went shopping and we're back at the picnic. And let's see what we got.
This is what we made at the store, our very own care kit. Let's pull it out.
Let's see.
The first thing I got was snacks.
We love snacks.
I love pretzels. Do
Me
you
too.
like pretzels, Jessie?
We love pretzels. Cece and Jessie love pretzels. And Marielody, do you?
Should we have some?
Let's have some. It's always good to share your snacks with your friends. As we keep doing this, you see all the things that we could do to be thoughtful to one another.
Mmm. Here you
I'll
go,
have one.
Jessie.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yummy.
Ah, delicious.
Here you go, Cece.
Mm.
Next, we have our water.
We get thirsty after those pretzels.
Are you guys thirsty?
Thank you. I love this package. Let's see what else is in there.
Next in our care kit is carry-on pads.
What do we do with those?
I'll show you.
Let's see.
You rip it open. After you rip, then you open. It's like a little Ziploc.
Ooh.
And inside are multiple pads, but I'll pull out one. They're very juicy.
Ooh, what shape is that?
A circle.
Ooh.
You go like this and you rub it in.
Ooh. Can I get some of that?
Of course, Cece.
Oh, it's so refreshing. Me too, me too.
Of course. You can even put it on your arms to moisturize your arms.
I love that. Look how amazing that is. And it smells so good also. Yum.
Now we're refreshed.
I love the feeling of feeling refreshed. Do you? Like when you get out of the bathtub and then you could use these right out of the shower.
They feel so good.
I love this.
Next in the kit is a mirror.
What are we doing with the mirror, Madison?
Well, I'm gonna see if there's anything in my teeth.
I don't think I see anything.
No pretzels. Do you have anything in your tea, Cece?
I think I'm good. But I do want to say what I feel.
That's a good idea.
I feel brave. Oh, Cece, I love this idea. Let me try. I feel strong.
I like that. Can I try?
Yes.
I feel kind.
Oh, Cece, that was such a good idea. What do you feel at home? Think of something that you feel when you look at yourself in the mirror.
Marielle, I have an idea.
Tell me.
I made these heart cards at home, and I think we should write notes to each other.
I love this idea. Go in your house and get a piece of paper and cut it any which way you want, and let's write letters. Let's make letters to make someone smile. I know that Madison made me smile today, and I want to write it in words because it means something when you write it or draw a picture to someone. It makes them feel good and smile. I wrote to Madison, "You made me smile. Love, Marielody."
And I wrote, "To Marielody, love, Madison. You are a great friend."
Aww, love. This is so special. I had such a special day with you, Madison. I am so happy we bumped into you.
Me too, that was so much fun. I have an idea. We have little hearts too. Why don't we write nice things and sneak them into people's pockets or lunch boxes or just somewhere around the house for loved ones to find?
I have an idea. You write a little note and you put it next to your mom or dad's bed, and then they get a surprise with something nice that you said that made them smile.
Sweet.
It's so sweet.
Marielle, we spoke about so many things that I like to do to take care of myself and for others. What's your favorite way to care for others?
My favorite thing to do is read to others, to my friends and my family, to gather around and read a story. My favorite book is my new Marielody's Day to Play. Shall I read it to you? Okay, I'm going to read the book to everybody. Hi, it's me, Marielody, and this is Wendy. Let's wake up together. Stretch your arms up high. It's a sunny day. Let's brush our teeth to keep them happy and clean. Brush, brush, brush your teeth nice and clean. First the bottom, then the top, teeth in between. You all know that song. I know you know that song. Now let's head to the kitchen. Let's make pancakes with funny faces. Doesn't that sound fun? We can use bananas for the eyes, strawberries for a nose, and blueberries for a mouth. After breakfast, it's time to get dressed. Jesse puts on his jacket, Wendy wears her pink dress, and Cece ties her shoes. Big kids get dressed by themselves. Oops, Jesse's jacket is inside out, but that's okay. We fixed it. Let's go check the garden. Jesse finds a carrot shaped like a rocket ship. Wendy picks cucumbers and Cece does the veggie dance. Taking care of plants helps them grow. I love my veggies. Yum, yum. Eat 'em up. Yum, yum. Eat 'em up. Let's do the veggie dance. Uh-oh, our hands are all dirty now. So we do wash, wash, wash your hands nice and clean. First the bottom, then the top, fingers in between. Let's wash them clean. Washing our hands gets rid of dirt and keeps us healthy. Let's turn on some music. It's dance party time. We wiggle, hop, and spin. Moving and dancing makes our bodies feel strong. What's your favorite dance move? After all that fun, we're feeling hungry. What's for dinner? Chicken, broccoli, and pasta. Yum! Eating good food helps us grow big and strong. Now it's time for a nice warm bath. Baths help us get clean and feel cozy. Whee! This is a bubble adventure. The bubbles look like balloons. Let's pop them just like we did with Madison, with the balloons and blowing. I love this. after bath time, let's get into pajamas. Bedtime helps our bodies rest for tomorrow. Jesse puts on his slippers, Cece hugs her blanket, and Wendy buttons up her pajamas. We're all cozy and ready for bed. Whoa! Today, we brushed our teeth, we ate, we played, washed and rested, and I feel so thankful for all the happy moments we shared. Every little thing we do makes the day special. So tell me, what was your favorite part of the day? Good night. Let's get ready for another great tomorrow. Good night. So this book was exactly what we did today. We felt grateful. And what was your favorite part of the day? We spoke about it. My favorite part of the day was bumping into Madison and doing things that make us feel good and take care of ourselves. Did you have fun?
So much fun.
Bye, friends.
Bye.
Wow. Jesse and Cece, we had the most amazing day. I am so happy we bumped into my friend Madison. She taught us all great things on how to take care of ourselves. I hope you learned because I know I did. See you next time. And what do I always say? Don't forget, like and subscribe.
Now it's time to say goodbye to Marielody. We hope to see you next time. Come back to dance with me. We always have so much fun. Thanks for watching.